Hello and welcome back to getting started with Ionic 2 and Parse Server. In this video, we are going to get started with Ionic. So the first thing that we'll need to do is install Ionic CLI. Ionic CLI is a node module. So before we install Ionic CLI, we'll have to install Node.js. So head over to nodejs.org and download the version of Node.js for your operating system. Once you have downloaded the installation file, just run it, and once you are done with the installation of Node.js, just restart your machine. After restarting, open up a command prompt if you are on Windows and a terminal if you are on Mac. There, you can type in node-v, which will give you the version of Node installed on your machine. If you do not get to see a proper version number here like this, then there is something wrong with your machine or your Node installation. So try again, install Node.js and restart your machine again. Once you have got the node running, all you have to do is type in npm install Ionic Cordova -g. This command will install Ionic as well as Cordova both globally on our machine. Installing a module globally means that we can access that module throughout our machine and it is not installed in just one particular folder. We are using npm, which is Node Package Manager, to install these modules. Go ahead and hit enter. Make sure that your internet connection is working fine because this is a network operation and this usually takes a while, so be patient. I have already installed Ionic and Cordova, so I'm not gonna run this command again. If your Ionic and Cordova modules are installed successfully or not. To do that, just type in Ionic-v, which will give you the version of Ionic installed in a machine. Similarly, you can type in Cordova-v, which will give you the version of Cordova installed on your machine. Make sure that you get appropriate version numbers, otherwise you need to install your modules again. So I have installed Ionic version 2.1.0 and Cordova version 6.1.1. Now I'm ready to create my first Ionic application. So in the next video, we'll create our first Ionic application.